My speech theme is the reason of maritime disaster. This is my content. About 50,000 merchant ships on the sea one time, but there are 2,500 ship accidents each year. Why the ship accident happened and caused many damage. Here is some data. This is about how many fatalities in a very traffic accident. Although the marine is not the most dangerous way in transportation, but it still costs about 700 to 900 people dead. And in this chart, ferry is the most fatalities of the ship type in ship accidents. When the ship accident happens has its a lot of reasons, like elevator fire over road exploration, but not just one reason happened on the ship. Here's the ship. This ship overloaded and then collided with the oil tanker, then it got fired, caused a lot of people dead. Here is some case about ship accidents. This is the most famous ship accident, Titanic. The ship collision with ice bridge in 1912 even has warning a lot of time. Then this lifeboat and they rescued us 1,400 to 1,600 people dead. After this accident, many safety rules had made. One of the most important is solar conviction. Scandinavian Star caught fire in 1983 because of toxic fire and thick smoke. 158 people dead. This accident changed FSS code and solar rules. Estonia made it bad weather in 1979 and is outdoor and waterproof in vehicle because free surface affect the ship capsizing. 854 people dead. After the accident, the emergency position indicating radio data on the ship should work automatically and some solar will change. I remember the sentences. Many improvements come from the past time experience and many people's sacrifice. That's why many countries have a department about transportation safety and ability to investigate traffic incidents and change the rule to prevent things happen again. What can we do on ships for safety? We need more attention about where is emergency exits, where is life jacket and lifeboat. Hope you can go to where you want to go by this step. 第二页，
目录的部分，我觉得这边跳得太快，就是你可以稍微说一下那个大
像例如说这艘船是什么，这艘船是什么，这艘船是什么。
就是你的主题，比如说船难，然后原因这样，大概讲一下。
OK，
然后再来就是第三在讲一我觉得这边就是完全照着那个字在念。
因为这样一想，我就自己就来。
所以我觉得可以看图说故事这样子。
像例如这艘船故事嘛，跟伊朗报道的故事嘛，像例如这艘船就是之前发生的那艘拜仁大超跑，然后发生这艘船只是才很行先跑了，可是最后还是有很多，最后还是有那些船上的那种一些工作人员或是那种表演人员才把它救回，才把船的事故救下来的那种。
然后再来就是下一页，一整页就是放这一行字。我觉得它可以，比如说你到下一页的抬头之类的。
因为我发现说开头还有那个，要是我要说开头啊，那个是太
太紧。
对。
然后再就是再下一页，那个图表那个太小，就是你可以看到第一个，甚至后面基本上如果做比较远看不太到。
因为这边所以问你在我旁边的最高的啊，这旁边的最高的。
然后再来就是再下一页，我觉得这个字就有点更小，更不清楚。
从比赛可以下来。
然后在后面都还 OK 了，我觉得。这边的话就觉得可能是排版吧，还是下面字排有认真的地方。
所以这个没有可以有，这个大概要在哪里？
没有，我是可以讲，可是我是觉得是排版部分，就 PPT 可能主要是图名字。
对。
然后基本上